Our dear Mother, you are the splendor of the race of David, the gem among the Jewish women. We admire your beauty. You were born immaculate to destroy the kingdom of Satan. You brought forth Christ, the divine light, to remove the darkness of sin from the world. O Virgin undefiled and Mother most amiable, we have recourse to you with full confidence. Our hearts are delighted as we utter your sweet name, Mary, our Mother. Grant us health of mind and body, and lead us in the path of light and holiness. Amen.